Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 15 of the Adobe XD tutorial series. So today we're going to see how to import images inside of Adobe XD. So before we import images, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag in two rectangular shapes just like this over here. So now I'm going to go into the menu icon right here, go to import, and then I'm going to go into my tutorial folder right here, and let's say over into tutorial right here, and then I'm going to navigate onto pictures just like this and import the pictures right here. So you can see that the pictures actually import and it is not according to the proper size right here which I wanted. You can see that both of the pictures actually appear and it is very large. So I can just drag it out. You can see that the pictures actually cover the whole area. So that's one way of importing the picture. But what I did was I actually created these two rectangles so to make things easier. So now the easier way to import the picture is to go on to the picture folder just like this, and then simply what you can do is you can drag in the picture onto one of these areas. So I'm going to drag in this picture over here and drag this over here, and you can see that the picture actually perfectly fits onto the shape that you chose. So you can do this with a circle as well. So I have my circle right there, and then I'm going to drag in the picture over here, and you can see that the picture actually appears as if it has been cropped. So now if you were to resize the square box right here, you can see that the picture actually adjusts just like that. So this is much more easier in terms of design. And over here you can also squeeze this. You can also curve out the corners and the pictures get cropped out automatically. So this is a pretty handy tool while you're designing in Adobe XD. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.